Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WP CLI. WP CLI, or WordPress command line interface, is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your WordPress sites directly from your terminal. It allows you to perform a wide array of administrative tasks, from updating your core software to managing users and plugins, all without ever touching a web browser. This can save you a significant amount of time, especially when dealing with multiple sites or repetitive actions, making your workflow much more efficient. Getting started with WP CLI is quite straightforward. First, you'll need to download the WP CLI FAR file, which is a single PHP archive. Then, place this file in a directory that's part of your system's path, like /usr/local/bin, and make it executable. This ensures you can run the WP command from any directory. To confirm everything is set up correctly, simply type WP info into your terminal, and you should see detailed information about your WP CLI installation. Once installed, WP CLI opens up a world of management possibilities. You can easily install and activate plugins with just 2 commands, or create new users, assigning them specific roles, all from your command line. Keeping your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated is also a breeze, often requiring just one command. For more complex tasks, like migrating a site, you can even perform database search and replace operations, handling thousands of entries in mere seconds. For advanced users, WP CLI truly shines. You can automate many routine tasks by scripting sequences of commands, saving countless hours. Database management becomes incredibly flexible, allowing you to export and import your entire database with simple commands, which is invaluable for backups or migrations. Furthermore, you can manage WordPress cron jobs and transients directly, gaining fine-grained control. Developers can even extend WP CLI's capabilities by creating custom commands or integrating third-party packages, tailoring it to their specific needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.